Hey everyone, it's Kath and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Kath and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you can join my family by clicking the subscribe button down below and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I post new videos. I am finally here to share with you guys my first impression review about one of the favorite local brands, the Vicecosmetics. Basically, yung i-review ko ngayon ay yung pinakabagong nilaunch na Vicecosmetics, which is the Vice Duo Finish Foundation. And look at this, guys. So basically, since first impression to, I just got this one and nakita nyo naman, hindi ko pa natatanggal yung plastic niya. And bagong-bago pa siya. And I got this from Watson's for only 245 pesos. Ang Vice Duo Finish Foundation ay merong 8 available shades. Definitely you can choose the perfect shade for you guys. My shade is Kinesa. Actually, nagdadalawang isip ko kung Kinesa ba yung kukunin ko or shade ni Vice. Okay din yung Morena, but then medyo dark na sa akin yung Morena, and since nag-oxidize sa face ko yung mga foundation, since acidic ako, it's best for me to get foundation that is way lighter than my skin, or at least 2 shades lighter than my skin. Actually, napabili na din ako nito kasi ubos na yung favorite foundation ko. Wait lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ito yung pangalawa ko pa lang na foundation na itatry. Super loyal ko dito sa Maybelline White Super Fresh Foundation. Yung shade ko dito is 04 Honey. Sobrang love na love ko yung foundation na to. Pero, as you can see, paubos na siya since may bagong nilaunch ang Vicecosmetics, and girl, I love the lipstick, diba? And since first time nilang mag-launch ng foundation, why not give it a try? So, buksan na natin siya. There, oh my gosh! So, ang ganda ng packaging. I mean, it's super thin. Sobrang travel-friendly lang siya and compact. So, madali nyo na siyang mahahanapan ng space sa makeup kit nyo, sa bag nyo, and even sa pulsa nyo. If you're wearing jeans and gusto nyo mag-retouch kayo outside, tapos ayaw nyo magdala ng bag, then you can probably still bring this and just put it in your pocket. Manipis lang siya. Ayan, guys. Super girly ng packaging, of course. Yung theme ng Vicecosmetics is pink, diba? Dito sa harap is may pagka-matte yung packaging niya. May pagka-metallic matte, something like that. And at the back of it, plastic na siya. And then here, you can see yung kiniklaim ng product. So, the brand Vice Duo Finish Foundation and the shade itself. Again, my shade is Kinesa. And then, sabi dito, it's oil control, buildable, and blurring. Later, we will check if this claims are true. Sabi, US dermatologist tested and it has SPF 25. Yung ingredients niya, yung price, which is 245 pesos. I mean, medyo kapresyo na siya nitong Maybelline and sobrang affordable, diba? Para sa foundation. Let's open it. Okay. Teka. Oh my God, nasira yung nilapakis ko. There, as you can see, meron dyang Vice. And of course, the sponge. It's actually soft. Amoy siyang same kung ano yung amoy ng mga foundation sa Maybelline. Same din yung amoy niya. Alam nyo guys, okay, may napansin ako kasi nakakapamanicure ko lang and napansin ko, nung nag-open ako ng package, ayan o, nagkaroon ng line yung nail polish ko dito. So, basically, hindi ko masasabing mahirap siya i-open. Pero kung meron kayong nail polish at ayaw mong masira yung nail polish mo, then gamit na lang kayo ng something na pwedeng ipang push dito sa product para mag-open. Kasi medyo malalim yung pagkakalak niya. As you guys can see that. Ayan. So, as in, nallock talaga siya. Then again, kung ayaw mo masira yung nail polish mo, kagaya ng nangyari sa akin, nasira yung nail polish ko, gamit na lang tayo nito, guys. Ng kahit ano, na pwedeng ipang open sa product. And yung mirror niya, guys, may plastic yan. So, good thing din. At least, hindi siya agad masisira, hindi agad magagasgas. So, as you can see, tatanggalin ko pa lang yung plastic ng mirror. Ayan. As you can see, I don't have anything on my face right now. This is my bare face to really see the pigment of this foundation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and test this on my face. Sabi ng iba, mas maganda daw yung lapat sa face kapag damp sponge or kapag binasa mo yung sponge sa face mo. So pwede daw yun. Pero unahin muna natin yung dry sponge. And then dito sa face yun. And then on this side, yun yung damp sponge para ma-compare natin yung difference. Alam mo, kapag may mga ganyan yung foundation, parang ayokong i-drag doon kasi nanghihinayang ako. Ang ganda niya, guys. I mean, as in, bare face lang yun. Wala akong kahit anong liquid foundation sa face. Hindi din ako naglagay ng primer. As in, maganda yung pagkakalapat niya dito sa face ko. And totoo nga yung kiniklaim niya na may blurring effect siya. Kasi parang, ayan, na-blur niya yung mga pores ko and imperfections ko. Like, you can see that. I don't know, guys, if you can see that. Pero meron ako mga warts, small warts dito sa area. And na-blur niya nga talaga. And parang na-flatten niya yung mga warts ko. It's so buildable. I mean, kahit first layer, second layer, third layer, hindi siya sobrang nagiging maputi sa face. Ganun lang din talaga yung shades niya. And to be honest, mas nagiging blur pa yung mga imperfections ko and yung skin ko the more na naglalagay ako. So, it's really buildable. So, ayan guys. Ito yung meron and ito yung wala. Diba? Na-mattify niya. Yung texture niya, hindi siya ganun ka-powdery. And now, let's start to apply with the damp sponge. Same sponge lang yung gamit ko. Binasa ko lang siya. Alright guys, so I'm done with this side as well. You know what, I can tell, wala namang big difference in terms of the coverage. Pero napansin ko lang, medyo na-emphasize niya yung pores ko. Ayan o. I highly suggest guys yung dry sponge na lang yung gamitin nyo para mas okay yung coverage and it's so buildable at the same time. Guys, wala siyang sheen and also matte yung finish niya and totoo nga yung kiniklaim nitong foundation na to na nakalagay dito, buildable and with blurry effect, and it's all true based on the application. Super na-mattify niya yung face ko and at the same time na-blur niya yung mga pores ko and imperfections on my face. Alright guys, so I am just going to finish my entire face and afterwards, I am gonna go ahead and give you my final verdict about this foundation. So guys, naglagay lang ako ng eyebrows and then for my lip, I'm going to use the Vice Creamy Lipstick para matchy-matchy siya with my foundation. O diba? Sobrang ganda talaga ng pagka-pink ng packaging ng Vice, as in super girly. Itong shade na to, ito daw yung best seller shade nila, which is yung itong, and the color is more of like a nude pink. I'm gonna take you closer to my face so that you can see and we can review the product together. As you can see, my face isn't perfect, but diba, not bad, and super ganda ng coverage niya. I mean, I don't have any primer on, I don't have any liquid foundation. Sobrang bare face ako kanina bago ako mag-apply ng Vice foundation, and as you can see, pwede siyang as in, pag nagmamadali ka na, this is a go-to makeup. So, ito talaga yung nagiging best friend mo if you're in a hurry for everyday. Talagang ito lang, super perfect na ng coverage sa skin. I mean, I'm looking at the screen right now. So, to give justice dito sa foundation, sa camera ko. Diba? Ang ganda niya, grabe. I think I'm gonna love this foundation. Final verdict, this foundation is really a must-have for me. Sa halagang 245 pesos, di ba, magkakaroon ka na ng magandang coverage ng foundation, and it's so affordable. Pero yung masasabi ko lang sa foundation, yung packaging niya, I mean, yung sinabi ko kanina, nasira yung nail polish ko kasi sobrang lalim yung lock niya, and talagang magkakaroon siya ng lines sa nails. Ayan o. Ayan o guys, nasira yung nail polish ko dahil sa lock. So, what I did, kumuha ko nito para mabuksan ko siya. Ayan. So, yun guys. If you have nail polish, kung mahilig kayo mag-nail polish, then yun lang yung masasabi kong negative about the packaging. But again, that's just the packaging itself. We're talking about the product itself. Sobrang okay sa akin ng foundation. So definitely, I'm gonna rate this foundation a 5 stars in terms of coverage. Alright, you guys, that is it for my review, and I'm so happy to finally share with you my first impression about this Vice Duo Finish Foundation. And if you do like it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to your friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and product reviews. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay confident and see you on my next one. Bye!